In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive a toilet in GTA 5. As you can see, this is the toilet vehicle, and you can drive it and cruise with it just like a normal vehicle, just like a normal car. And it's basically your fancy little toilet. You can drift and make tricks with it. As you can see, he's swerving and he's cruising around with this toilet. So this is a very fun mod to play with. He's reversing with the toilet here. So as you can see, he closes the door as if the toilet has a door here. So it's a very fun and hilarious mod. So I'm gonna show you how to download it and install it. So let's start. Okay, let's start. So first I want you to open Google Chrome. So I have it open here, and type in menu mod. Go to this one and download it. Then go here and type in ScriptHook V. Go to this website and download this one. And now you're basically done. So go to your downloads folder and open the GTA 5 folder. So to open it, go here, and under installations you should be able to open it. So to install the mod, first go to ScriptHook V, bin, copy the DLL folders and paste them inside of your GTA folder. Now you can just go back and go to menu stuff. So copy this one and this one, and you want to paste them over here. So now you can just close this down and this down. And before you launch your game, just make sure you go to manage and just make sure you enable the launch options and write this down, dash no battle I. Now you can just launch the game. So after you launch your game, if you want to activate the mod, just press on F8 and then go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, go to funny vehicles, and you're gonna go down and you will find Boo Mobile. Click on it. Now press F8 again to remove the menu, and there you go, you have your very own toilet vehicle here. And it's a very nice and hilarious mod to play with, and it's basically like riding a toilet here. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more mods like this, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below what new mods would you like to see more. And thanks for watching.